Since the Banksy arrived at Port Talbot, it's created a wonderful sort of artwork community. So I'm Jonathan James, and I'm a safety officer for business planning and supply chain. We are at the Plaza in Port Talbot, and we're here for an exhibition which is running alongside the Port Talbot Got a Banksy play, where a number of my photos and a fellow photographer, Kenton Simons, and a digital artist, Mongo Gushi, displaying our work. Since the Banksy arrived at Port Talbot, it's created a wonderful sort of artwork community, and as a result now it has boomed. You know, we've got graffiti all around the town. We've got the art walk. And as a result of that, I've met some amazing people, you know, two of which are in this exhibition with me. Artwork is going to be displayed here on the wall for the next week, I think. And then if you want to see any of my landscape photography and everything else that I capture, you can visit John James Photography on Instagram and Facebook. So I started shooting for Tata back in 2017 during the number 5 furnace rebuild. I think a couple of images stand out to me. The process of the site is obviously an amazing thing to capture, but it's the people. So I got an image with Terry Lyshan pushing the last oven at more of a coke ovens. I've got a photo of Stuart Phillips, or Bob, as most people know him as, and also Terry Phillips in the blast furnace, where he was involved in lancing out the slag during the rebuild, and I actually won an award for that photo, so that's, I do like that photo myself. Makes me proud. Over the years then I've captured a number of other events, the Royal Visit, VIP visits, and eventually then the closure of the heavy end. But going forward, my sort of task now is to capture the future of our steel industry as and when the different stages, the milestones are taking place. We get to see the beach, best sunsets in the world, industry, which to me is beautiful as well. Yeah, I think if there were any budding photographers anywhere in the UK, this is a place to be. Come down here and capture everything you can.